it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today is sort of a pretty different video to what I've done previously. As you can tell by the title, this is I guess my thoughts and a review on so this is the Optislim, I don't know, variety pack, and this is specifically the ones with the Bio Me. The Opti Bio Me. So I saw this for half price at Woolworths, and I was like, do you know what? I like taking meal replacement shakes, definitely for the convenience, but also because I believe that they can actually help you lose weight. I have lost weight with a different brand. If you'd like a video on that, I will be more than happy to share what I did. But yeah, I saw this and I thought I kind of want to try it. So this was about $16.50, and it came with 10 different flavors. So you get 10 different sachets. So you get 2 chocolate, 2 vanilla, 2 strawberry, 2 espresso, and 2 salted caramel. So for me, surprisingly, my favorite was the salted caramel. I actually don't like salted caramel at all, but that was so amazing, that flavor. All I did with these as well is I added ice and then blended them. So it was kind of like a frappe, and it honestly, they fill you up. You know how some meal replacements, they just like, you feel hungry still. So you feel like, what's the point? Like, you have these smoothies and then you feel like you need to eat anyway. So it doesn't make sense. These, for me, obviously everyone's going to have a different opinion. But these seriously filled me up. I have finished the box now. So one thing I do want to point out, I believe that something in them my body definitely didn't agree with. The first maybe like 5 shakes I had, the noises my stomach was making as I feel like I was digesting it was like so loud. And to be honest, my stomach doesn't really make like loud gurgling or grumbling sounds or anything like that usually. So it was super out of the ordinary for it to happen. And then like TMI, I can't believe I put like this out on the internet for the world to see sometimes. It would like hit my stomach and literally just go straight through me. So I was like, I am definitely blessed that I am not at work every day. So I would have to think if I was going out or had to go into the office, I would definitely not have this, just because I don't want to have like diarrhea when I don't have a toilet near me. And like, I'm talking, it would hit you and you have basically no time to get to the toilet. So that is definitely one of the things I didn't love about these. But do they help you lose weight? To be very honest, if you stuck with this and just, I mean, if you replaced your breakfast and lunch with this and just had a small dinner and maybe some like healthy snacks throughout the day, 100%. I did lose weight with these. The hard thing is, see, I only swap lunch with a meal replacement sometimes. But yeah, after the 10 days, I had dropped like more than 1 kilo. So for me, would I recommend? I actually would. The only thing is they are quite expensive if you can't find them half price. But yeah, I do believe that these work if you stick to the diet, and they definitely fill you up. It's just, yeah, the first couple of days, just be aware because your body's probably not used to something like this, and just my reaction of the noises and then it just going straight through me, it was quite intense. So yeah, I still really like the product. I really like the taste. I don't think they're as good as the Aldi ones. I think the Aldi ones taste better, but the Aldi ones have so much sugar in them. But these are not bad at all. Like, I had no issue drinking them. I actually did really enjoy it. So yeah, if you've tried this diet, let me know your thoughts. if you had the same like gurgling sounds and your body just not really reacting well to it. I would love to hear from you, and I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.